when time you put that on your YouTube channel now, we have to call that now. Guinep?
And I Guinep it be?
I don't know.
Yeah, man, I Guinep.
Everything's a foreign, you know.
Oh,
They have different names, everything.
well, this is the Jamaican Guinep. This is what I want to call it, a foreign. And then you have the Jamaican pear tree.
What they call avocado.
And you guys call it avocado. Let's see if I can zoom in. Where you pear the Uncle Lindsay? See? And these are more Guinep. Let me hide the big belly. These are our Jamaican pear avocado. Alright. And sometimes because of how tasty they are, rats will go and eat them before us.
And that gives them leptospirosis.
And it gives you leptospirosis, so you don't eat it.
They don't
And then you have coconut. Coconut. Oh, and these are pimento, not pimento. And these are the Guinep. Yeah, and when you pop it, let me show you what it's. It looks like this. Yeah, it looks like this.
four more yards.
They're really sweet. When you finish eating them, the seed look like this. All right.